Hey everybody, this is Tammy. Hey, I wanted to come on here to tell you something that is amazing that you probably already know about, but I wanted to let you guys know that there is healing in your hands. The way that you can make sure that you stave off colds and flus and boost your immune system would be for you to take castor oil. That's right. That nasty thing they say that tastes like just oil with a bad aftertaste. But what's a little bit of bad taste and a little bit of time to stave off colds and flus other than just taking 1 or 2 teaspoons of castor oil? Here are some of the great benefits of castor oil, you guys. Castor oil can help you to boost your immune system, support the lymphatic system, increase your circulation, prevent the growth of viruses, bacteria, yeast, and molds and funguses in your body. That's what a lot of people have problems with. You guys probably don't understand, but a lot of us have candida and all kinds of yeasts and molds in our body that is helping us to stay sick. And when we feel like we're getting better, we haven't eliminated all of the yeast molds and yeast molds and funguses out of our system. That's why we keep getting sick. It helps to fight skin disorders and infections. Actually, when you use it topically, it helps you that way too. Helping to kill ringworm on your skin, inflammation and abrasions. It's also, again, a fungal anti-parasitic agent. So when you're taking that in, parasites that are inside you, it helps to kill them off and help them to exit through your colon. It also helps with constipation. That's the main reason why people take it. It helps to reduce itching and swelling on the skin, fighting toenail fungus, easing constipation, again, reducing painful sunburns, helping with pregnancy and inducing labor, and it's so much more other benefits. But those are some of the smaller, most effective ways that castor oil helps you. You guys, castor oil is a natural plant. Castor oil comes from comes from where? I read it right here. So let me just start from the beginning. Throughout history, castor oil, most popular uses have been to treat skin infections, lowering constipation, and boosting the appearance of hair health. But research has shown that castor oil has even more important applications for supporting the immune system. Castor oil is capable of increasing white blood cells and counts of T11 cells. That's where it comes into boosting your immune system. Okay. It helps your lymphocytes. That helps to kill viruses, fungi, bacteria, cancers. Many of castor oil's benefits comes down to chemical composition. It's classified as a type of triglyceride fatty acid, and almost 90% of its fatty acid content is a specific rare compound called ribnucleic acid. Castor oil is considered to be pretty unique because ribnucleic acid is not found in many other substances, and is such a dense, concentrated source. It is produced by cold pressing the seed and subsequent clarification of the oil by heat. Aside from its primary constituents, ribnucleic acid, castor oil also contains certain beneficial salts and esters that function primarily as skin conditioning agents. At the same time, they help stabilize the texture and consistency of products, which is why castor oil is used in so many cosmetic, hair, and skin treatment products. I know that I kind of stumbled alongside, but I had read this before I actually turned on the video, but I actually take castor oil. I did it once last week and once this week. So I'm actually going to make sure that I do it once a week for the next 6 weeks. It also helps with weight loss and helps to move everything out of your colon. So then again, that's a really good reason why you want to use it. Castor oil has been used for centuries, you guys. My grandmother used to use it on us when we were kids. Even before, when my grandmother was young, they would do castor oil at least once or twice a year. It actually helps to stave off a lot of bacteria and viruses, like we said. So, for kids and parents alike, it's really good. Parents, I would at least make sure that my kid had a dose of castor oil once a year, especially with kids getting all kind of colds and flus and ringworms and all kinds of things from other kids in kindergarten, touching other toys and tables, doorknobs and things. Castor oil can help you. So, I hope that this was helpful. If you do find that you are using castor oil and it's helping, please put it in the comment box below. Help other people. Experiment for yourself. This is Tammy. Know that I love you. Know that I care. I truly care about you. I'll talk to you guys and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye.